So SpaceX is finally publicly traded and you could buy it on Robinhood. So today I'm going to show you how to buy SpaceX stocks on Robinhood. First thing you want to do is actually find SpaceX. So along the very bottom, you'll see multiple options. You're going to click on the magnifying glass, and then we're going to click on the search bar here. And you could either type in SpaceX or the ticker symbol, which is SPCX. As you can see, I have it searched recently, so I'm just going to click right there. And here you'll see the current market price. And at the very bottom, you'll see a green button that says trade. So we're going to click on trade, and then we're going to click on buy. So right here is where you'll type in the number of SpaceX shares you would like to buy. So let's just say you want to buy 1 share of SpaceX. It'll tell you the current market price, and it'll tell you the estimated cost. As you can see, it's just fluctuating. Right here is an example of a market order. Basically, you'll just be telling Robinhood, hey, I want to buy a share of this stock, at whatever the current market price is. Down the road, there's going to be different options. Instead of just buying with shares, let's click there at the top right. You could actually choose to buy it in dollars. So let's say I don't want to buy a whole share of SpaceX. I just want to buy a partial share. So let's just say I want to buy $20 worth of SpaceX. Since it just IPO'd today, I'm not able to buy partial shares, but down the road, you'll be able to, and that is how you do it. But let's say you don't just want to buy $20 worth of SpaceX, you want to buy a full share. Click on that top right button again, go to shares, and type in however many shares you want to buy. And then you're going to click on the review button right there. I actually don't have enough buying power to be able to buy this, but if you did, you'd click OK, and then all you would do is just swipe up, and then you would successfully have purchased SpaceX on Robinhood. Now, I was actually allocated 3 shares, which is why I'm not going to be buying at today's market price. I just want to see what happens with it before I decide to increase my position or anything like that. But that in a nutshell, just want to show you guys how to buy SpaceX on Robinhood. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.